We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Kobe Bryant. Kobe Bryant, 41, dies in helicopter crash in Calabasas, California. Basketball icon Kobe Bryant died in a helicopter crash on Sunday in Calabasas, California. He was 41.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.